to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. First, tap on plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start creating a new post. Tap on select multiple button. It looks like two overlapping squares at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the photos you want to include in your post. You can choose up to 10 photos. Here I am choosing only 4 to 5 photos. You can edit each photo individually by tapping on them. You can apply filters, adjust brightness, and etc. After selecting and editing your photos, tap on the music icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the music library. Choose song according to your preferences. Once you have found the song you want to use, tap on it to select it. You can choose which part of the song you want to include in your post by dragging the slider to the desired starting point. Instagram allows you to use up to 15 seconds of a song. Now, as I've chosen it, press on next. If desired, you can add captions, hashtags, and tag other users before posting your content. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap on the share button to publish it to Instagram feed. That's it. Your Instagram post with multiple photos and music is now live for your followers to enjoy. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.